So guys, I'm just going to show you exactly what you can get in the Gyal Organics, and this is the Bare Essentials waxing kit. What I'm showing you guys right now is the drying powder. You use that to take away any moisture on the skin. Now what I'm showing you guys is the rose water soothing essence. This here is the strips that come in the packaging. You also get a free tweezer that is not shown here. And this is what I'm showing you now is the sugar wax itself. This is what it looks like, the container it comes in. The last item that is in the kit is the application stick, and that's what it looks like there. So guys, I'm just showing you the underarm in which I'm going to wax, and I'm showing you the drying powder which I am going to use to apply to the area in order to soak up all the moisture. Any moisture there is residual. The person has already cleansed the underarm previously, and that wasn't showed in the video. So I'm just rubbing in the powder into the area, and I'm using gloves to keep my work area sanitary and avoid cross-contamination. So after using the drying powder, what I am going to do now is to apply the sugar wax. Now the instructions on the cover says that you are to apply the sugar wax in the direction of hair growth, and then you need to rip the hair off in the direction of hair growth. So what I'm doing now is just applying the sugar wax to the area, and that is what you will see as I continue to apply the sugar wax to the underarm. So I'm basically just applying that, as you guys can see. So as I'm applying the wax here, I'm just going to give you a few information about the company. Now, in Trinidad and Tobago, in Trinidad, you can purchase the Gyal Organic Sugar Waxing Kit at Pennywise, JD Supercare, and Russe. In Tobago, you can get it at the Waterfront, Pharmacy, and Nuovo Cosmetics. Now, this kit can also be purchased online for the US and Canada, and I would put that link in the description box below. So I'm just applying the strip to the area now and prepping the client for the pull. I'm now going to hold the skin taut with one hand and rip with the other. Now this is what it looks like after I've made my first pull. I just have a few areas that I need to touch up, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like when the arm is clean. So guys, this is exactly what it looks like when the waxing process is finished and I've already applied the rose water soothing essence. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.